I've just spent 3 hours, well 3.5 hours, washing this down with thinners, washing all in between all parts etc, because I'm not going to take these parts off. I was going to at first, but I thought, well, it was a matter of shall I paint it grey or shall I paint it green. So I painted my shaper grey, like small nostalgic, and I was thinking I'll do this grey, but I've half painted it green years ago, other side's painted green you see, and I stripped it all down. I had all the parts off that side, which I've got photos of, which I'll make a video of, and I thought, well, it's a shame to paint it grey and have the photos in green, so I'm doing this in green. I'm going to crack on now and see how far I can get. Right folks, a quick shout out to one of my work colleagues, Jen, a young lady at work. She's been bad over Christmas. She's had this chest infection, this cough thing. I had it, but not as bad as what Jen's got it, so I was laid up for 2 days, but Jen's had to have some antibiotics, so get well soon and thanks for watching my videos.